Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So today's recipe is capsicum potato curry. So let's start. So here in the small cooker I have taken in 4 to 5 potatoes, medium sized potatoes, and have added water and added some salt to that, and I will allow it to pressure cook for about 3 to 4 whistles on medium flame. And let's see the other ingredients now. I have taken in 2 green capsicum and 1 large yellow capsicum, garam masala, jeera, groundnut, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. So once the potatoes are done, you can strain out the excess of water from them, and you what you need to do is you need to mash them with a fork and allow it to cool a little bit, so that what you need to do is you need to make it into small balls, so that for that you cannot touch it immediately. It will be piping hot, so that is when you allow it to cool for some time, and then you start making small balls out of that and keep it aside. Here I have the potatoes with just salt in them. But what you can also do that once before starting to make the balls, you can add a bit of red chili powder, add a bit of cumin seeds, and then start making the balls. It will just add more flavor to the potatoes. That's it. So here I have taken a curry cooking vessel. So I have added in about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and also I've added in 3 tablespoons of peanuts. So let us not burn the peanuts. Let's just allow them to cook in the oil for some time. So once they have browned a bit, then we add in the jeera. Here I have added in 1.5 teaspoons of jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Mix them a bit. To that I add in the chopped capsicum. So I have roughly chopped the capsicum. It's not thinly sliced or something. So they are roughly chopped. You can even add red bell peppers to this also. I have just used the green and the yellow one. Note that capsicum cooks very fast, so keep the other ingredients ready before in hand, because you know that capsicums cook a kind of fast than other vegetables. So keeping the flame on medium or between low and medium, cover and cook till it's done. So it'll take for about it'll take like 7 to 8 minutes. So just before they're done, 80% done, you have to add in the ginger garlic paste. Here I have added in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. They are required to cook for about 20% more. So before that itself, I add in the ginger garlic paste. I give it a good mix so that it gets mixed thoroughly, And again I cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes. So now you can see that they are well cooked. The green capsicum has lightened down its color. So here the smell of ginger garlic paste is also gone. So you know that they are cooked. So here is when we add in the dry ingredients. So here I'm adding in half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt. So check how much salt you're adding, because you know that the potatoes are also has the salt in them. So before adding excess, just check before adding excess of salt to this. Keep in mind that the potatoes also have salt, so that is what I meant. Give it a good mix. Now I add in the potatoes. Be careful, they may break, so carefully add them into this. Turn the flame to low here. See, one thing you need to understand, before adding any dry ingredients like powders or anything, you need to reduce the flame to low, otherwise the masala may get burnt. Okay, so here we had reduced the flame to low, added in the powders, and you need to toss it, not mix it with the, just slightly mix it with the ladle if possible. So but I would recommend you to toss it because the potatoes may break. So toss it like this so that all the ingredients are well incorporated. Cover it up and cook it for about 5 minutes on low flame. So you can see that the potatoes and capsicum have absorbed all the masalas. You can smell it. If you want, you can add a bit, 1 teaspoon of oil at this time if you feel it a little dry. So this is the potato and capsicum curry, and hope you would go and try this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.